Hello everyone and welcome to another tutorial video. On this video I'm going to be going over on how to activate your mobile setting on your Pixel Perfect editor for your website. For example, for people that are accessing your website through a mobile. So first we're going to go over here on the little gear icon, go to website settings, and over here you're going to see tablet mode setting and mobile mode setting. You want to turn on both of them. And once you click on save, these two are going to appear up here on the little icon. You can go ahead and close this, and we're going to click on the view as mobile. And as you guys can see, let me just go back real quick. I have all my pages over here and all this information. And once I click on the mobile app, all the information will be pasted over here just as fitted for your mobile. If for some reason you don't have a template just like mine and your information goes to outside like this, you can just come to over here and adjust your content. You can adjust all your content. You can adjust your page, your new elements. You can also remove all your pages and elements from your website, and you can hide your elements. And last, you can also copy your desktop. And just to clear everything, if your information is like this and you click on all your information is going to pop inside your little mobile template over here, and it would look something like this. If for some reason you choose to hide elements, all your elements are going to be hidden over here, and you can go click over here to show hidden elements. This little button brings everything back, but as you guys can see, it will not bring it back to the actual editor. You can come over here and click on all, and your information should pop back in, just like so. Another thing to keep in mind, that if you want to check how your progress is going, you can just click on preview to see the preview of your website and how it would look like on a mobile option. We can go ahead and return to edit, and we're also going to look at the tablet just so you guys can have an idea. It's kind of the same thing, and just note that my information went to the outside as so over here, just because the layout is not the same and the size of the page is different, so it just sent everything to the outside. I can go ahead and edit and put it over here if I wanted to, like so. But you guys get the idea. This information is all the same, and the menu information and the layouts and everything is the same as the desktop setup, so I don't have to really go over it. The only major thing over here, guys, as I said before, is just for you to enable your mobile setting and your tablet setting. You can also use a scale for the devices, but it's, as this says, it's not enabled for Firefox. So if you think that your customers will use Firefox, you can just select this no, because it's not really enabled for it yet. Once we do that, we can go ahead and save. And this is it for this video. Thank you for watching and have a great day.